Welcome to Picture Healer channel Feng Shui Friday. My name is Tian, and today we are going to talk about your birth chart or the 八字 chart. And I'm going to show you how to use online calculator to plot your chart without complicated calculations. Even though your 八字 chart is not really directly related to Feng Shui, a 八字 chart is an important part of all Chinese metaphysics. In Feng Shui, a person interacts with space, so different 八字 chart can bring different results for Feng Shui. So what is 八字? It's like a Western astrology. It's calculated according to your birthday, year, and hour. The 八字 chart is also called the four pillars because the traditional 八字 chart will have four columns, including the information of your birth year, birth month, day, and the hour. And basically, they will have two parts in each column. The top part will be the heavenly stem, and the bottom part will be the earthly branches. And we talked about the heavenly stand and the 12 earthly branches before. The 10 heavenly stand and the 12 earthly branches are the way the Chinese people calculate time in the ancient times. And the earthly branch can be also interpreted as the 12 Chinese animal signs. So you'll probably see the animal sign in the chart. Sometimes they just use earthly branches, sometimes they use the animal sign, and it's the same. Since the four columns are divided into two parts each, so totally you have 8 parts, and that's what 八字 means originally. 八 means 8. So these 8 words, or you can say the heavenly stem and earthly branches, are related to 5 elements and also yin and yang. So you usually can find those information in your 八字 chart too. So how do you find out your 八字 chart or your natal chart? It is very easy now with the online calculator. I will link some of the calculator down in description below, or you can just Google online Feng Shui calculator or online 八字 calculator. Most of those online calculators are free, and I'm sure there's a lot of phone apps you can search in your app store. Depends on your iPhone or Android. It's like a Chinese Feng Shui calendar or lunar calendar. Everything can be calculated according to the heavenly stem and earthly branches. Before the age of internet and computer, those information are hard to come by because you need to learn how to calculate it and refer to many different books. While you are on the online calculator, you should also check out your 卦 number. The 卦 number is also called the life star number or the destiny number. So using the online calculator, you can just input your birthday and it will show you your 卦 number. That's from the 八卦, and also a number that's uniquely to you. The 卦 number is also the basic of the 8-mansion style Feng Shui. The 8-mansion styles and the flying stars are two most common traditional Chinese Feng Shui schools. For now, just print out your 八字 chart and your 卦 number. In the future, we can refer to it when needed. The 八字or the Chinese astrology can be very complicated, but if you print out your own chart, you can always refer to it and see how to best interpret your chart and how to use it. Thank you for watching today's video. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe.